Hey, buddy. How you doing? Having a good day? So far? It's a sunny day. There's the ocean. There's Pierce. He's around the corner already, heading out. Yeah, there he is. Nothing's really changed. He'll go to find that his door is closed, but that's not going to stop him at all. He's a little bit upset. I don't know. Now what is he doing? He's going to come back for more. What the hell with you, man? I want grub. All right, now what, Pierce? Okay, that door has been shut off to you, and so what are you going to do now, bud? Huh? Sorry, man. You know, you can spin around as much as you want, but it ain't gonna affect your grub situation at all. On the greener pastures. Well, he doesn't. There's nothing there. He's in limbo right now, Pierce. In limbo. Well, that door's closed. Now what? Oh, he's just frustration has hit. He's still a little bit upset. What the heck with you, man? Resignation.